Lesson 3.5, Graphing Using Intercepts. So the goal of this video is that by the end, you should be able to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept and then graph a line on a coordinate plane. So let's get started. So here we go. We have an equation, a linear equation, 3x minus 2y equals 24. As you see, I set up my paper as my work. I'm going to do the work on the left side, and then I'm going to explain what I did on the right side in words. So here we go. I have the x-intercept, and I'm going to get 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 24. Then I get 3x equals 24. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 8. Therefore, I get 8, 0. Okay, so what did I do? I found the x-intercept, it should be an x right there, x-intercept by substituting 0 for y, then solving for x. So if you look at the work, I put 0 in for the y, and 0 times anything makes that term go away. Then I divided by 3 because I wanted to solve for x, getting x by itself. And so I got this point, x equals 8. And as a point, that's 8, 0, because my y is 0, my x is 8. Next, I want to find my y-intercept. And this is how I do that one. I have 3x. Nope, I do not have 3x. I'm going to have 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 24. So 3 times 0 is 0, leaving me with minus 2y equals 24. Then I want to divide by negative 2y, so I can get my y by itself. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So I divide 24 by negative 2 and get y equals negative 12. Therefore, my point is 0, negative 12. Oops, it's too far down. I didn't realize. There we go. Now you can see it. So let me say what I did. So I found the y-intercept by substituting 0 in for the x and then solving for y, meaning isolating for y. And so this is what I ended up with. You know, when I solved for y, I had to divide by negative 2, got negative 12. So next, I'm going to go ahead and plot these 2 points, the 8, 0 and the 0, 12, on a coordinate plane. Okay, so I go ahead and draw my own coordinate plane since it was not one available. And remember, the x-axis is horizontal, y-axis is vertical. And my points are, once again, we have 8, 0. So that's going 8 in the x direction and 0 in the y direction. So that's my first point right there. My second point is 0, negative 12. So that's 0 in the x direction and then negative 12 in the y direction down here. There's my second point, and then go ahead and draw a line that goes through the 2 points. And there I graphed this equation using by finding my x and y intercept. So I drew a coordinate plane, then I plotted the x and y intercepts and drew a line through those 2 points that I found.